Hi guys. Okay, before anyone gets on my ass about me always in this sweater, just go ahead, have at it. I know. I know. God, I know I wear this a lot, but listen, where am I going? Sometimes I change it up, but 9 times out of 10, if I'm FaceTiming any of my friends, they see me in this all the time. This is a taste test video because I have these corn tortilla taquitos. They are chicken style, vegan, gluten-free. So here you go. These right here. I am so excited to try these. I saw these on another What I Eat in a Day, and I can't remember who it was because it was so long ago, like 2 weeks. But I don't remember who I was watching and they had these. If I can remember, I'll put their name somewhere on the screen so you can go and check it out. But, let's go put these in the air fryer. They smell really good. I also have some salsa sitting here because I like to have it with salsa, and then I have just a cup of water with Be a Nice Human because why not? Okay, so enough talk. Let's dig in. So this is good. This is really good. Now, I know mine are a little more crunchy than what it said on the package to do, but I like things this way. Sometimes I like things a little overcooked. Sometimes I like them extra crunchy. I don't know, it just depends, you guys, okay? And I'm gonna dip it in my sauce. Yes. Sorry if you guys do not like to watch or hear people eat, but it's a taste test video. What do you want from me? Yes. So these are really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and give them like an 8 out of 10. They're so good. I wouldn't have changed anything about these, especially being that they are store-bought taquitos. They were still delicious. They were super good, very flavorful. So honestly, I wouldn't change these at all. Now, if I made them at home myself, obviously I would do things differently. But if you're wanting something like a quick little lunch, or even have these for dinner or whatever, do it. They're only 110 calories for each one. I had 4 of them. So it is one of them. But they're super good, so easy to make. You literally have to pop them in an air fryer. Even though it says like 15 to 20 minutes on the box, in an air fryer, things cook a lot faster. But I cooked mine for about 12 minutes and they're extra crispy. So I would just say maybe put them in there for a good 5 minutes even. I don't know, depending, or if you like them like me. They're so good. They're really delicious. And I believe that we got these from Natural Grocers. I'm just gonna go ahead and say Natural Grocers. I think we got them at Natural Grocers. But I know that you can get them other places. I believe Walmart has them and Target as well. So, and I don't know what other grocery stores might have these. Maybe Whole Foods, check it out. But I'm gonna go finish these. I'm gonna finish my last 2 episodes of The Crown. And I'm gonna have a good day, so like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.